This 5-minute solution will show you how to find my iPhone from another iPhone. So if you lost your iPhone or if you can't find your iPhone, you can still find your iPhone using another iPhone. All you have to do is just follow these quick steps. In your second iPhone or another iPhone, open a browser and type iCloud.com and sign in to your Apple ID. Scroll down and tap on Find My. Make sure to log into the Apple ID, which Apple ID is associated with your lost iPhone. Then here you will get your iPhone. So tap on the device and you will get your iPhone location here. So that's how you will be able to find my iPhone from another iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.